creative local business Timeless Odyssey in 홍성. 홍성 Tour Guide in Chungcheongnam-do, South Korea. Oso Mountain and Gwangsongli Valley. Oso Mountain dazzles with silver waves of grass. It is the highest mountain spreading to the West Sea's complete view and called a lighthouse or a compass in the West Sea, far from land. It is more fantastic in the sunset because there is silver grass over ridges of 740 meters toward the north from the highest mountain, which is 791 meters in altitude in the northwestern part of Jungnam. Gwangsongli Valley's Mountain Ecological Village is an attraction for water fun activities as well during vacation time because of its clean water and beautiful nature. The parking lot has also been renovated. 홍성 Tour Guide in Chungcheongnam-do, South Korea.